While you are sleeping, your bank account is either decaying or growing. Most people think financial freedom is won in the morning. They are wrong. Morning is for execution. Evening is for strategy. If you don't own your night, you will never own your wealth. I'm going to show you 10 habits that will double your financial productivity. And no, this isn't about drinking tea or meditating. This is about hard math and mental engineering. Let's start with the first habit. Habit 1, the 15-minute zero-based audit. Every night, you must face your numbers. Open your banking app. Look at every transaction from today. Did you spend money on an asset or a liability? An asset puts money in your pocket while you sleep. A liability takes it out. Most people suffer from financial fog. They don't know where their money goes. The audit clears the fog. It creates a psychological barrier to waste. When you know, you have to face the audit tonight. You stop buying things you don't need. Habit 2, the subconscious mission. Your brain is a supercomputer. If you give it a problem at night, it will solve it by morning. Write down the single biggest financial obstacle you face right now. Don't try to solve it. Just state it. This is called incubation. While you are in REM sleep, your brain is making connections you can't see. Professional investors use this to spot market trends. They don't force the answer. They let the answer find them. Wake up, and the first idea you have is usually the solution. Habit 3, the digital sunset. Blue light is a productivity killer. It suppresses melatonin and spikes cortisol. A stressed brain cannot make good financial decisions. Turn off all screens 60 minutes before bed. Your phone is a slot machine designed to steal your focus. And focus is the currency of the 21st century. If you lose your focus, you lose your edge. Instead, read a physical book. Read about someone who has already achieved what you want. You are downloading their brain into yours. This is the cheapest and fastest way to double your productivity. Learning while others are scrolling? This is how you gain an unfair advantage. The compound effect of knowledge is real. Habit 4, the tomorrow map. Decision fatigue is the silent killer of wealth. Every decision you make in the morning uses up willpower tokens. By 11 a.m., most people are financially bankrupt in their minds. The solution is to map your tomorrow tonight. Choose your big 3 tasks. These are tasks that directly move the needle on your bank account. Not emails, not meetings. Real productive work. When you wake up, you don't ask, "What should I do?" You are already in motion. This creates momentum, which is the secret sauce of the ultra-wealthy. Habit 5, the high-protein, low-sugar evening. What you eat at 8 p.m. determines your brain clarity at 8 a.m. Sugar spikes your insulin and crashes your focus. A crashed brain makes short-term choices. Wealth requires long-term thinking. Eat for your future self, not your current cravings. This is biological productivity. Habit 6, the negative visualization drill. This sounds depressing, but it's a Stoic superpower. Ask yourself, what if my main income source disappeared tomorrow? This fear forces you to build systems, not just jobs. It forces you to diversify. Doing this at night makes you anti-fragile. You stop being a victim of the economy. You start becoming an architect of your own safety. Safety leads to confidence, and confidence leads to better negotiations and higher deals. Habit 7, the pre-sleep gratitude loop. Scarcity mindset is a poverty trap. If you focus on what you lack, you will never have enough. Gratitude shifts you into an abundance mindset. It makes you realize you are already wealthy in many ways. This relaxation lowers your heart rate. Better sleep equals better brain equals more money. Habit 8, the uniform strategy. Stop wasting energy on how I look. Start saving energy for how I think. Prepare your clothes and your gear the night before. Reduce the friction to start. Friction is the enemy of productivity. Habit 9, the off-grid environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, not an office. The brain associates space with action. If you work in bed, you will never sleep well. And if you don't sleep well, your 9 to 5 will be a 9 to failure. Habit 10, the review of the lead domino. Did you hit the most important task today? If yes, celebrate. If no, analyze why. Don't beat yourself up if you missed a task. Guilt is a heavy emotion that drains tomorrow's energy. Analyze the friction, fix it, and move on. Now that we have the 10 habits, let's talk about the compound result. Doing these habits once won't make you a millionaire. Productivity is not a sprint. It's a marathon of discipline. The true power lies in the overlap. When you sleep better, you think faster. When you think faster, you spot opportunities others miss. This is how luck is actually created. Most people are waiting for a miracle. You are building a magnet for miracles. Let's address the biggest hurdle, consistency. It's easy to be productive on a good day. The winners are decided on the bad days. When you are tired, the audit feels like a chore. Do it anyway. Lower the barrier to entry. If 15 minutes is too much, do 2 minutes. Never miss twice. 1 miss is an accident. 2 misses is a new habit. Keep the chain of discipline unbroken. Now let's talk about the financial ROI of sleep. Scientific studies show that sleep deprivation costs the economy billions. On an individual level, it costs you high-value ideas. $1 million idea requires a rested prefrontal cortex. You can't grind your way to a brilliant strategy. You rest your way to it. This is the counterintuitive truth of wealth. Work hard during the day, but recover harder at night. Think of yourself as a high-performance athlete. LeBron James sleeps 12 hours a day for a reason. Your sport is the financial market. Your game is decision-making. Prepare the field at night so you can play to win in the morning. Let's look at the environment again. Your physical space reflects your mental space. Clear your desk before you leave your office. A clean desk is a green light for your brain tomorrow. When you see a mess, your brain sees unfinished business. Kill the ghosts at night. Now let's talk about the financial review with a partner. If you have a spouse, align your evening habits. Financial friction in relationships is a productivity drain. Talk about your big 3 for tomorrow. Support each other's digital sunset. This creates a culture of excellence in your home. Wealth is a team sport. Even if you are alone, be your own teammate. Don't leave a mess for your tomorrow self to clean. Be kind to the person you will be in 8 hours. This is the highest form of self-love and productivity. Now, let's address the information overload. Most financial news is noise. If it won't matter in 5 years, don't give it 5 minutes tonight. Protect your input. The quality of your input determines the quality of your output. Feed your brain wealth wisdom before sleep. Let the giants of history whisper in your ear while you drift off. Habit 10. The gratitude loop. A poor mindset sees only what is missing. A wealthy mindset sees what is already working. Gratitude kills the scarcity demon. When you are grateful, you make better deals. Desperation is a scent that buyers can smell. Confidence is a magnet that attracts them. Your evening habits are the foundation of that confidence. Every night you follow this, you add a layer of armor. You become economically unstoppable. Now, let's summarize the journey. It starts with the audit. It continues with the mission. It is sustained by the sunset. And it is fueled by the map. The difference between a worker and a builder is the evening. A worker finishes at 5 p.m. and turns off their brain. A builder finishes at 5 p.m. and prepares their mind. This 15% extra effort creates 100% extra results. It's the law of accumulation. Most people underestimate what they can do in a year because they overestimate what they can do in a day. Your evening habits are the slow burn that wins. Think about where you will be in 6 months. 180 nights of audits. 180 nights of subconscious missions. 180 nights of digital sunsets. You will be a different person. Your friends will ask you, what changed? They will think you got lucky. But you will know the truth. You didn't get lucky, you got intentional. Now, let's talk about the weekend trap. Financial productivity doesn't take days off. You don't have to work 12 hours on Sunday, but you must maintain the rhythm. A broken rhythm is hard to restart. Keep the momentum, even if it's a slow crawl. This is how you beat the 99%. The 99% live by feelings. The 1% live by systems. Be a system builder. Let your habits do the heavy lifting. Your job is to show up for the habits, and the habits will show up for your bank account. The biggest investment you can make is in your evening routine. It costs $0, but it pays dividends for the rest of your life. You have the 10 habits, you have the map. The only thing missing is your decision. Will you own your night starting today, or will you let another 24 hours decay? Remember, financial productivity is not a gift. It is a practiced skill. Practice it tonight, and again tomorrow, and again every single night until it's part of your DNA. When it becomes automatic, you have won. You are no longer chasing money. Money is now chasing you. If you found value in this 220-step breakdown, subscribe. We build financial empires here, one habit at a time. Check the description for the scientific sources of these habits. Don't just watch this video, live it. Your future self is watching you right now. Make that person proud. Tonight is your first move. Double your productivity, double your life. I'll see you in the morning, ready to execute.